Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Look at that weather. Whoa. Alright guys, remember I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture. It's not enough for them. They want sound. I'm also going to do a video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final. Alright guys, in case you're new in my store, I take everything apart. We have a Hitachi. Let me get my glasses. CM 75E BP. You got all that going on there. Alright. I think it's the first time I got something like this one. Usually I get different ones. It's new for me. I like it. Sounds good. I got two of these. I'm going to put two for auction. I got more stuff going on today, guys. I don't have time to put all of them, but I'm going to try between the week. I got too much. Little by little. Alright. And this one, I don't see anything wrong. I already checked everything. Let me show you the car. On this one, usually I take the muffler. One of the screws here give me a little hard time. I didn't want to keep going. I didn't took the muffler out. Usually, I do it to show you the piston, but I'm going to show you from the top. With the flash, it's going to be better, but you can tell by looking at it. It's not being used that much. Remember, guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. This equipment is not to be fixed. Okay? Equipment is meant for parts, for using. And I know that equipment like this one, it's a donor. Oh, look at that. That's not bad. But the flash is going to come out better, especially when I move it down, that we can see inside there. I guess it's going to be a better shot. All right, let me show you the handle here. Uh-oh, sorry about it. I got the handle here. You got the top. You got that. You got here. You got this. And you got the front here. I'm going to throw pictures to everything. To give you an idea that everything came. It's just, it's a big machine. Alright, we're going to try to give it a shot. I'm going to try to start the machine to see where we are. I haven't checked the gas. But anyways, it's not what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is the machine to, at least to, it looks like maybe it has some, let me see. Maybe it has some gas. We're going to try. I'm going to spray anyway new one. Oh, look, it looks good. Alright, guys, let's give it a shot to see where we are. I'm going to put the handle, and we're going to start from there, okay? Okay. Alright, bear with me. I'm a little thirsty. Alright, let's go. Let's see where we are. Bear with me, guys. I'm new with this one. No, you want to tell me? Yeah, I got it. You see? It's the first time for everything. Oh my God, the weather is changing here so beautiful. I don't know what state you are. I guess it's snowing and all that, but here in Florida, my God, guys, it's so beautiful, perfect. Alright, you can hear there. Let me see where we're at. Alright, we're here. Alright. I guess this is the choke going back. Okay. We're going to throw a little of the magic liquid. Okay. We're going to put a spark plug. Alright, we're getting ready. Let me see which one is on and off in this baby. Alright, stop will be here. That means we have to be on this side. We're good. We're on the good side then. You can see there? Good. Oh, let's give it a shot. Oh, let me take this. Whoa! Oh, baby, there's nothing wrong with you. You know what happened? The coil went, this here, I'm gonna put some gas because I don't think there's nothing wrong with this baby. Let's go here for a second. I'm gonna put some gas real quick. And we're gonna inject it because she wants to live. She wants to, you know, to keep going. You know, when you see equipment like this, situation like this, guy, we gotta dedicate a second. Life is important. We're gonna put a lettering to see where we are. Alright. You still there? Let me see. Yeah, you're there. Alright, now you see I forgot to do this. Alright. Okay, we're good. We on, we don't need a choke. We in it, let's go. And we in it to win it. Let's go. I remember that from that girl. Easy, little one. My God. Wow. Woo. It feels like a champion, you know, like oh my God. Look at these, guys. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about here. Woo. You remember, guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a mistake. If you come into my store, make sure you're buying only for parts. Don't forget that. Look at that. It's changing again the way. I wish you can see it on the lake. You see? You saw it? How he changed it? Beautiful. Alright, guys. Thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Miren cómo estamos en Miami. El tiempo está, caballero, para enamorarse. Sí, porque hay chisme por ahí que hay otros lugares, que si es frío, mira nosotros aquí con tremendo calor. Ventiladores por donde quiera, pero bueno, tengo que parar de anunciarme porque se está mudando todo el mundo para acá. Ya vieron que esta Hitachi, para mí suena perfecta, todo lo veo bien en ella. Pero recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Son equipos rotos, equipos con problemas, no son para arreglar. Aunque suena perfecta y esto y lo otro, por favor, si viene a mi tienda, sepa que es para comprar, sabiendo que es para otros equipos, no para arreglar. Si es nuevo, sabe que yo desarmo todo, para enseñarle todo. Ahí le voy a tirar fotico, el disco. Esta tienda está con disco y todo, tengo dos de estas. Ahí vino hoy cosas buenas, poco a poco estoy poniendo. Tengo todavía aquí este tanque lleno, estoy bajando poco a poco. Mi gente, síganme, que tengo de todo. Y ya saben que se me une a la raza. Y gracias por todo.